Have you ever felt overwhelmed by all the options for birth control and wondered which one is right for you? Today, we're simplifying the topic of birth control, breaking down the different methods available, and helping you discover what fits your lifestyle and needs best. Stay with us until the end for essential tips on making informed choices. Understanding birth control. Let's dive into the basics of birth control. It's all about planning your family and making informed decisions regarding reproductive health. There are various methods of birth control to choose from, each with their own advantages and considerations. Understanding these options can empower you to take control of your sexual health and reproductive choices. Key point: birth control methods can help you manage your reproductive health effectively. Types of birth control methods. Now, let's explore the different types of birth control methods available. 1. Hormonal birth control. This includes pills, patches, injections, and IUDs that release hormones to prevent ovulation. They are highly effective when used correctly. 2. Barrier methods. These include condoms and diaphragms that physically block sperm from reaching the egg. They are a great option for preventing sexually transmitted infections, STIs, as well. 3. Natural methods. These methods, such as fertility awareness, involve tracking the menstrual cycle and avoiding intercourse during fertile days. They're free but require careful monitoring. 4. Permanent methods. For those who are sure they don't want children in the future, options like sterilization, vasectomy for men, tubal ligation for women, can be considered. Key point: different birth control methods provide various options based on individual preferences and needs. Factors to consider when choosing. When it comes to choosing the right birth control method, several factors come into play. Lifestyle. Consider how often you engage in sexual activity and how easily you can adhere to a routine, like taking a daily pill or using a barrier method each time. Health. Consult with a healthcare provider about any medical conditions or medications that may affect your choice of birth control. Future plans. Think about whether you want to have children in the near future. Some methods are temporary, while others are permanent. Effectiveness. Some methods are more effective than others at preventing pregnancy. Understanding their effectiveness can help you make a better choice. Key point: choose a method that aligns with your lifestyle, health, and future plans. Debunking myths. It's time to bust some common myths surrounding birth control. Myth: the pill causes weight gain. Fact: while some people experience changes in weight, many do not. It's essential to find the right method for you. Myth: you can't get pregnant while on your period. Fact: while less likely, pregnancy can still occur if you have unprotected sex during this time. Myth: natural methods are foolproof. Fact: natural methods require careful tracking and can be less reliable than other forms of birth control. Key point: being informed helps you make better decisions about your reproductive health. The conclusion: understanding your options for birth control is crucial in making informed decisions about your sexual health. Remember to consult with a healthcare provider for personalized advice. Now it's your turn. What questions do you have about birth control? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more valuable content. Together, let's promote inclusive knowledge about reproductive health and empower each other to make informed choices. Thank you for watching, and remember, knowledge is the key to making empowered decisions about your body and your future.